Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to the An Thuong area. This is the entrance here. This is the beach, and let's have a look what's changed, what's new. I'm actually excited to have some Vietnamese food again and see what's new. It's always something new. And I know there was a construction site when I left here on the right side. And this is where we're gonna check out. Oh, it's a bar. Okay, interesting. All right. Let's have a look. Here in the An Thuong 1 Street, they have a new bar. Even though it's not a bar street. But they also have something else. I don't know what it is. I will see. Maybe it's a clothing store. Knox Bar. That's the name. Okay, interesting. So it's a bar and you cannot really look into it. Okay. And Vietnamese made craftsmanship. I guess that's a clothing store where balance and stillness find their place, handcrafted by Vietnamese for the world. Okay, interesting. And Zenta Hotel, I did a review of those very affordable hotels here. And this Korean fried chicken place changed to Brunch Co. by Pink Salt. So it's also different right now. We have the Platinum Hotel, Tropi Farm. It's always good to have the ginger shot. It's very strong ginger shot. Very nice owner as well. Yeah, but for me the ginger shot is almost a little bit too heavy. But I think it's a very good sign. There's not sugar inside, it's just like hardcore ginger and something, maybe a little bit lime or something. Alright guys. This German just talked to me and he was like, oh, I know you from YouTube and do you know what to do when the hotel is so bad? And I said, bro, I don't know. I'm not a representative of the hotels, but he's staying in one of those hotels that are, in my opinion, also too cheap. And he has the construction site right in front of him. And it's also very bright at night, so I can understand his problem. But it's probably, I don't know how much the prices are from these hotels, but to be honest, every hotel in this street should not be more than 10-15 bucks, in my opinion. The one time I reviewed it, it was like $6, so I'm like, you cannot have anything, you cannot talk about a $6 room, you know? Cannot complain. But I don't know how much he paid, to be honest. Maybe it was more. Then I would not take it. Like the whole street, I would not pay more than maximum 20. Maybe for the Platinum, maximum 20 bucks in this whole street, because it's super loud and the hotel rooms are not nice, but it's cheap and it's the location is very good. But yeah, so he tried to negotiate with the hotel, and they said they can only give him 50% back. And yeah, he has to talk with trip.com or Booking or wherever he booked it. I think that's the place to be. I'm actually gonna make a hotel video soon of my top 10 hotels I like here, from low to high. I will make that video. And I don't know, like I think it's a top 10 video I'm gonna do. I will see if I have the time, but I think that's a very good thing. The only problem is, I mean, if it's 10, then it's not gonna be. If I say, okay, this is my favorite hotel, and it gets a lot of views, it's probably gonna go up in price. But if I have 10, it may be okay. And it's also my type of my taste, what I like. I'm gonna do this. Because some people, something else is better than for me. Some people like to have it classic or some kind of different style of a hotel. I like this one specific type. Like the M Hotel, I really like. But I don't think M Hotel is for everyone. M Hotel is just for dudes. who like it minimalistic and raw, like this modern style. I think TMS is still the better choice for couples or, yeah. That's a thing, right? TMS versus M Hotel. It really comes up to you what kind of style you like. Both are great hotels. So. For me, I like the M Hotel, but I think the TMS is the better hotel in general. But M Hotel looks cooler, so. Hello. This is also a hotel I've never reviewed here. Kien. That one. I gotta check it out. Wow, this is gonna be a huge project, guys. Check this out. This one. I don't know what they're building there. I hope they have a picture of what they're building actually. That would be great. That would be great, guys. But yeah, there's some pictures, sadly. Sometimes they have pictures and say what there's gonna be at some point. Sometimes they also write it down in Vietnamese. But I don't know. So this whole area is actually from a church, right? So there's a church here somewhere, and it's like yeah, something Christian, the whole thing. I'm not sure if this is gonna be just for them or if this is gonna be like a split out area and they're gonna have something completely different there for the public. Oh no, what's going on here? Banh Mi Badao is closed. Maybe they have summer break. That would be also okay. I don't think they went out of business. They will never go out of business. It's a great family business. And also, they still have some drinks in this refrigerator. I don't know if it's the time, but at the moment, I think it's 11 o'clock. Looks very calm, the whole neighborhood. Bikini Bottom is empty. Interesting. But maybe there are people going to the new Bikini Bottom. But there are many motorbikes, to be honest. I don't know where they are all. Maybe there's some construction site somewhere. Volcanoes. Nice. But the number one thing no, actually there are more things. I cannot say number one thing, that is Ban Cuon. I think the banh mi is also, for me, Ban Cuon is always the number one thing I buy or eat when I come back to Da Nang. Then usually it's a banh mi from, I'm not sure, let me think. I mean, Grandma Vuong has to be it. It has to be Grandma Vuong. Even though my stomach somehow cannot handle pork that good, but it's still Grandma Vuong with the pate. It's just so amazing. It's so good. There are a lot of motorbikes there to rent. I'm not sure what that means. Does it mean less people rent? Does it mean they ask for international driver licenses now? Or not that many tourists here? I'm not sure. Or they bought a lot of new motorbikes. I don't know. Butcher steak. They also have a brunch on Sundays, I think. Hopefully still. Yes, they still have it. Brunch club on Sundays. But you know where I want to go? I want to have this one espresso. I had some very, very good espresso in Germany, to be honest. And a cup of coffee, I don't know, it's not, the espresso is not a big difference. I pay here €2, I pay in Germany $2.50. It's not that bad. I think I'm gonna get a coconut and a espresso. Oh wow. Wow, okay. Guys, what is it gonna be? Something like the coffee shop they have already? Maybe they will have a tree here out there? I'm not sure. Steel construct. I'm also excited. I'm not sure if it's official yet, but it's gonna be my friend, we're gonna have a new brunch spot in the An Thuong area, and I'm very excited to actually document it too, but I'm not sure if it's official yet. But first of all, we're gonna have a coffee now. Nice. All right, guys, let's continue. Just had my coffee, my coconut. Now I'm hydrated and energized, and I'm seeing my future car here. I really wanna rent one. I want to drive it. I actually got my driver license with me, like my international one. So I think I can drive a car, not a motorbike though, a car. And I will try it. I definitely want to try out this VF3. I hope they have it in pink. Yeah, I definitely have to try it one time. I need to know how a Vietnamese car drives. Yeah, maybe I should do a live stream when I do it. A lot of motorbikes here. Those are also the motorbikes you can rent without a driver license. Whenever they say light, okay? The normal ones not, but the light ones you can drive without a driver license. Because there are also electric motorbikes that are faster than 50. They're like 70 or 80 or 90 even. I think they have also very strong electric motorbikes. But yeah, you should always look out for the light one if you want to drive legally without a driver license necessary. And I think, to be honest, it does not matter if it only drives 45, because you usually don't want to drive faster than 45 in these streets anyways. Because, yeah, it might be dangerous. Because you never know if there's some hole in the street. So, I mean, look at this. This is not those neighborhood is not a place to drive fast. If you drive to Hoi An, you can easily drive 50, 60. It's okay. I mean, I don't even know what the speed limits are. Probably 50. I'm not 100% sure. 50 kilometers an hour for my American friends, yeah. Oh, this is a brand new pharmacy now. That's also changed. Crazy. They did not build anything here yet. Nothing. So interesting. It was a house. They removed it. Then they built a bar and then destroyed it again. Just a few months later. Very interesting. I'm wondering what happened over there. Look at this, get a haircut and you get a coconut for free. Or a beer. Get coconut, get coffee, get beer. Okay. It's good, so I can even go have a coconut there with Marcus, and David can have a beer and someone else have a coffee. Alright guys, the weather is not that good, but it's actually nice. It's windy. I think there's a storm coming up, but if you want to see all those content here in Da Nang, I will be here probably 7 weeks from now, completely, and I will film a lot. I will film every day. I'm probably gonna upload twice now to get all the news up here, because so much things have changed, and I only want to have 15 minutes videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video here, and see you in the next one.